So guys, this is a photo which we're gonna edit just like that very trending Instagram photos, like a very bokeh effect. So first of all, we will select the photo with the help of quick selection tool and just click on the plus icon. Roll all over the subject's body to make it selected. Now just press Ctrl J from the keyboard to make a duplication of that layer. Now guys, we're gonna open the background image. So you can just download this background from the links in the description, right? So we're gonna use this photo as our background. Let's crop the image for our Instagram ratio, that is 8:10 ratio, right? And now just crop the image and select the perspective which you want to keep as your final ratio. Now we're gonna just drag and drop to our photo. Go to the edit, select free transform or directly press Ctrl T from the keyboard. Now just right click on it and flip it horizontal way. And we're gonna keep this and just place this somewhere over here. Just make sure that the model behind the background is hidden, is hide on the that image. It is not shown. That you have to keep in mind, right? Now all we're gonna do is let's just select the clone tool and just pick the press Alt key from the keyboard and just paint it with this color over here so that nothing is seen in the photo. Now here is some more things to be remaining, so we're gonna just select the pen tool and just delete this kind of portion from here. Press Ctrl Enter and just delete it. Now again select the blur tool and just blur that portion. So guys, when you are doing the cutout, you have to make sure that the whole image is perfectly blurred on the edges. You have to blur the whole image on the edges. Now we're gonna just paint the edge of this image to make it look more realistic. Now this one is looking quite cool. Let's just duplicate it. Go to the filter, select the skin finer, and we're gonna just smoothen the skin, right? And just hit OK. Now we're gonna just add a layer mask on this and just press Ctrl I from the keyboard to invert that layer mask, or you can also just fill the full layer mask with the black color with the help of paint bucket. Now just press Ctrl Delete. Now here select the brush tool and make sure to select the white color on the foreground. Now just paint it on the area where you need a smudging, right? Or sorry, smoothing of the face. So I just want on the face region, so I'm just doing this smoothing on the face. And you can see the difference. It is really looking very amazing, and kind of smooth structure is seen in the photo. Now just merge both the layers. This would be the perfect photo for your new year, guys. If you are planning to make a new year special photo editing, then this bokeh effect would be a pretty much perfect photo for your new year. Now just press Ctrl J from the keyboard to duplicate that layer. Go to the edit, select the free transform and just flip it horizontal way, and we're gonna just place this over here in order to enlarge the canvas size of the image. And let's do the same process on the other side. Just duplicate the layer, go to the edit, select the free transform and just flip it horizontal and just place it somewhere over the left position of the image. And here comes the important thing, guys. It is really looking kind of, if you have inverted the image. So in order to remove that thing, we're gonna just first of all just merge all the three layers. Just right click on it and merge layers. and select the clone tool from here and just press Alt key and just remove that unwanted, that bokeh, so that it may look original and realistic, so it may not look like you have inverted that image, right? So that way we gonna do on the same process on this side also. Just press Alt key from the desired area and just brush on that area in order to remove that that flipping flip the whole image, right? So that no one would be able to identify whether you have flipped the image or not. Here also we're gonna do the same process. Now this one is looking kind of very cool and great, right? And now let's select this barrel PNG. You can just download from in the description, all the links are given, right? You can just download this background and PNG also. Now we're gonna just place it in the position that it should look like the model is actually sitting on the ground on the barrel. And now just make a little bit of adjustment on this barrel PNG by pressing Ctrl L. Now this is perfectly fit image. Let's open the that overlay. We want to create a reflection like photo, guys, so we're gonna just use this as our overlay. Go to change blend mode and select the screen, right? And now we're gonna just place it somewhere over here to get that perfect that that screening effect, or it should look like the glass reflection is there on the window. So you have to place this in such a way, and it is really looking perfectly just like it you have captured from some glass, right? So you have to place this that image in such a way that it should look more realistic and original. This you can just adjust totally by your choice. Let's just place it somewhere over here. Make sure that it doesn't come on the face of the model, otherwise your model's face will look unrealistic, or it will not look good actually. So you have to keep in mind that this screen effect of the window overlay may not come on the model's eye or the face, right? If it is little bit, then it is pretty much perfect, but don't add too much of this effect on the face, because we want to highlight our face. That is the key point of our editing. So we're gonna just use this. And this one is looking kind of perfect. You can see the difference. Here's the before and here is the after. Now just merge all the lists, right click on it and select merge list. Again, let's just crop the image. Now here the color grading process starts. So go to the filter, select the camera filter. You can either use the color grading or preset directly to the photo, or else you can just do it as I am doing in this video. Just add a little bit of contrast, do a little bit of retouching in the photo with the color grading process with the help of camera. Just decrease a little bit of highlights and just increase a little bit of shadows. Increase the whitish if you really need, and just decrease the blackness, or increase it to +6. Now here we're gonna just add a little bit of shadows, that is of bluish tone. So just make sure to get that perfect blue color over here. The slider 194 would be pretty much perfect. Just add a saturation to around 4 or 5 would be pretty much perfect. Now here also we're gonna just add highlights of the same color, that is of the blue tone. So select the blue tone highlights over here and just increase the saturation a little bit to around 6 or 5. Now here we really don't need too much of color grading, otherwise it will look horrible and unnatural, which we actually don't want. So just add a little bit of retouching and color grading process and you are done, guys. Just add a little bit of luminescence of the orange tone in order to get that perfect skin tone. Here we're gonna just make a little bit of reddish tone to -4 or 1. Just a little bit of saturation, decrease it to -3 to get that perfect skin tone, right? And here we have done our process, guys. It is really looking amazing. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button, and if you still not subscribe, and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com. On that website also we can upload soon the most creative and the powerful presets. Also guys, follow us on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.